Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to set up your REALME 11 Pro Plus without an internet connection. Let's begin. Now, many think that you can't actually set up your device without internet connection, and they're wrong. There is a skip button on the Wi-Fi ad list, but let's get into that first. Let's click the arrow. Let's choose the language. Of course, if you want to go and change a few accessibility options, you can do that. And also, if you want to perform an emergency call, you can also do that. Let's hit next and let's select our region. I'm going to choose United States. We have to agree to some legal information. And now we want to connect to Wi-Fi. I'm going to press skip. And you will notice that actually we cannot really skip that. Like, there is no way for us to skip. It's pretty funny, because I have no idea why they introduced skip button if you can't skip it. On some older devices you might try it, but I'm not promising this will work. You could go into your network, like of whatever choosing, and you can purposefully input the wrong password, so save. And on some devices you can't really, you can try to skip the internet connection part, but it's very hard. As you can see, we can't really connect to it, and sometimes you have the ability to skip that, but unfortunately we can't. Usually it's because, well, I have performed the factory reset lately, so maybe I can't do that because of this, but yeah, unfortunately you cannot like perform a setup without Wi-Fi connection, unfortunately. Unless you know how to do that, then I would be really grateful if you shared it in the comments down below. But anyway, for this video, that's all. If you found this useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.